Quizzes are fun ways to test your knowledge and learn new things. Get ready to be amazed by strange and fascinating facts from different parts of the world and different areas of knowledge. Think you know a lot about history? What about science? No matter what you love to learn, this quiz has something for you. So grab your thinking cap and let's get started. Each fact will be followed by a question. See if you can guess the right answer before we reveal it. Are you ready to dive into the world of trivia? Let's go. It's time to test your knowledge and see how much you know. Good luck, and most importantly, have fun. Let's travel back in time and uncover some incredible historical facts. History is full of surprises, and we're going to test your knowledge with a few intriguing questions. Did you know that the Great Wall of China is the only human-made structure visible from space with the naked eye? It's a testament to the ingenuity of ancient civilizations. A, the Romans; B, the Egyptians; C, the Chinese; D, the Greeks. The answer is C, the Chinese. The Great Wall was built over centuries to protect China from invaders. Next up, let's talk about ancient Egypt. The Egyptians were brilliant mathematicians and architects. They developed a writing system using hieroglyphs, and their pyramids still stand tall today. A, Nefertiti; B, Cleopatra; C, Hatshepsut; D, Nefertari. If you guessed B, Cleopatra, you're right. Cleopatra was known for her intelligence, charm, and political prowess. Now let's explore the fascinating world of science and nature. From the smallest insects to the vastness of space, there's always something new to discover. Did you know that a group of owls is called a parliament? These nocturnal birds are known for their wisdom and silent flight. A, the African elephant; B, the giraffe; C, the polar bear; D, the hippopotamus. The answer is A, the African elephant. These gentle giants can weigh up to several tons and are known for their intelligence and social bonds. Now let's delve into the mysteries of the ocean. The blue whale is the largest animal on Earth, even bigger than the dinosaurs. Its heart is the size of a small car. A, Monaco; B, Vatican City; C, Nauru; D, Tuvalu. The answer is B, Vatican City. Located within the city of Rome, Vatican City is the center of the Catholic Church and is home to stunning art and architecture. Section 4. Pop culture surprises. Ready for some pop culture trivia? From music legends to iconic movies, this section will test your knowledge on all things entertainment. Did you know that the Happy Birthday song is actually copyrighted? While we sing it freely, it's technically a piece of intellectual property. A, Queen; B, Led Zeppelin; C, Pink Floyd; D, the Rolling Stones. The answer is A, Queen. Bohemian Rhapsody is a 6-minute epic that continues to captivate audiences today. Now let's jump into the world of movies. A, Star Wars; B, The Lord of the Rings; C, Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone; D, The Chronicles of Narnia. The answer is C, Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. This magical film series captured the hearts of millions worldwide. Section 5. Around the world in fun facts. Let's travel the globe and uncover some geographical gems. From towering mountains to vast deserts, our planet is full of fascinating places. Did you know that Canada has more lakes than the rest of the world combined? This country is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers. A, Mount Kilimanjaro; B, Mount Everest; C, Mount Denali; D, Mount Aconcagua. The answer is B, Mount Everest. Located in the Himalayas, Mount Everest is a breathtaking peak that attracts climbers from around the world. Finally, let's visit the land of the rising sun. Japan is an archipelago of over 6,800 islands, known for its unique culture and stunning landscapes. A, Sydney; B, Melbourne; C, Canberra; D, Brisbane. The answer is C, Canberra. Often overlooked for its more famous counterparts, Canberra is a modern city with a rich history and vibrant culture. Section 6. Challenge your friends. That's a wrap on our Fun Fact Quiz Challenge. How well did you do? If you got all the answers right, congratulations. You're a true trivia master. If not, no worries. Learning new things is always an adventure. Share this quiz with your friends and family and see who can get the highest score. Remember, the most important part of any quiz is to have fun and enjoy the journey of discovery. Stay curious, keep exploring, and never stop learning.